He is simply provoking. It will not go on record. Only the subject will go on
Provoking
record.
whom, sir?
No,
Provoking
Dr. Fawzia Khan, please.
Sir,
No slogan will go on record.
Sir, doctors and healthcare workers are supposed to be saviors of life. People invest extreme faith in them, faith almost next to their faith on God, sir. And yet today, these very doctors and healthcare workers are being threatened, assaulted, abused, attacked, and, sir, mobbed also. And the scale of this problem is impossible to ignore. According to an Indian Medical Association survey, 75% of doctors have faced violence in life, sir. This problem is not limited to any one state also. It is everywhere, all over the nation. Repeated assaults lead to doctors being unwilling to take up emergency or trauma duties, sir. And obviously, when doctors do not feel safe, patients ultimately pay the price. The government has failed to step in with the urgency this situation demands. So let us look at the root causes. Overcrowded government hospitals already stretched to the limit. Lack of even basic security. No functional CCTV, no panic buttons, no trained security staff, no crowd control systems. Young doctors, especially women, are left completely exposed. This is far, far below global norms under the WHO, ILO guidelines and the Charter of the WHO for health worker safety. So families arrive in emergency rooms frightened, desperate and overwhelmed. Miscommunication in these moments, sir, can turn dangerous. The truth is that most delays arise from deep structural shortages in our public health system. As existing state laws are fragmented, inconsistent, mostly bailable, sir, and weakly enforced. The current system cannot differentiate between medical complications, adverse outcomes, and criminal negligence. So FIRs are often filed against doctors without expert review. Police without medical training investigate complex clinical outcomes, sir. So health is a concurrent subject. Empowering the union to legislate uniformly, Parliament has full authority to enact a national bill. What we need is an effective National Doctor and Healthcare Workers Safety and Protection Act. And we need a national state-level health and medical justice tribunals which have medico-legal experts, which have subject experts, physicians, surgeons, forensic experts, sir, public health and ethics experts. But at the end, since the minister is here, I would only like to say, increase the budget of the health department to 5% of the GDP, sir. This is what is the need of the hour. A safe doctor creates a safe patient. A just system creates responsible medicine.
Thank you. Sri Vivek K. Danke.